Alright, so the Welds found a new home. They fit this man's car, A1. Look at the clearance. No so rubbing. Shit looks sick. Badass. And he has these for me. Bam! Another set of Welds. The offset's a little bit lower, so definitely gonna fit my car perfect. Hell yeah. Put his IG right here. Fuck. Very nice. You know?
Yeah, this one's good better than the other one.
Yeah, they look hella clean. So what are the odds of that? If someone that I knew actually had Welds that I needed in my size, and he needed the size that I had. Worked out perfect. Sick, bro. So these guaranteed for sure, 100%, they're gonna fit. I just need to order some tires, and yeah, I'll be able to slap those on. Stay ref.
One eternity later.
Top of the morning. I'm hella tired, bro. So, as you can see, I got my tires in. Oh yeah. Alignment's done. Sick. These wheels are hella sick and neat. Oh, yep. That looks sick. Well, let's see how the fitment is. Couldn't be any more perfect. Oh, yep. So, ride height, perfect. Clears the caliper, clears the strut. Finally. All that trouble, finally got it done. Hell yeah. Looks dope. Well, sorry neighbors. Definitely cold. What is up, guys? How are you guys doing? Comment below right now if you guys were sick this week. I've been sick all week, bro. It's been shitty as hell. I got sick on Monday, it's now Friday, and I'm still sick. I haven't did shit all week. I've just been laying in bed. Sucks. But, anyways. Ow! Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Let me get an alignment since I lowered the rear a little bit. Then I'm gonna see how these Mickey Thompsons hook up. Need to get some flicks with the Welds on. Looks pretty sick. Never gets old, man. Everyone's been asking me, like, bro, is your Evo faster than your Z? Hell nah. My Z makes like over 100 horsepower over that shit. And like double the torque. It's just the difference is Evos have super short gears. You get into 5th gear in the Evo at like 120 miles an hour. I'm barely like shifting out of 3rd in this car at 120, so the gearing is just like, you can't really compare them. Short gears, it's really like a quarter-mile car as an Evo. This shit is like a half-mile car because it's just all top end. So, you can't really compare them.
Yeah.
Peep this over here. Sick ass boot, bruh. Follow this guy. Sick. Everyone's like, bro, buy a Supra. They're sick, but I don't know. I just feel like it's a bandwagon car. Like all the social media people buy them. They're built though. Since I lowered it a little bit, I have a little bit of camber now. It's at like 2.4, which it shouldn't be with my power and shit, but it's whatever. I just didn't like the way it looked, like super raised in the rear. It just looked like too much. Whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna see how these hook up. I need to heat them up. This time and see how they do. Hooked up nice. I think I built up like 10 pounds. Ah man, I love this car, bro. Thumbs up this video because I love my car. This shit's sick. So the E85 is so strong, dude. It sets off my carbon monoxide sensors. Fuck. All bad.
Shut the fuck up.
Gotta open the windows and shit. These Mickey Thompson streets are doing pretty swell. It's cool. Well, yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, guys. The goddamn thing won't shut up. But yeah, so far so good. The Weld setup on the Mickey Thompson does pretty well. I got my daily, you know, normal sleeper setup. Then I got my state rev setup. But yeah, I'm happy I'm feeling a little bit better. It's probably going to be the end of this video, guys. Nothing much else I could put into it. I'm just happy I'm feeling a little bit better now. So yeah, be on the lookout for the next upload.